Greetings! Here comes another demonstration of how the smart game characters in Marbles AI can learn to interact with objects and to use tools. Pizza is one of the most popular foods around the globe. Everyone just loves it. So does this Italian marble. Unfortunately, she has never made a pizza herself before. Marbles, however, are able to learn. We will teach our AI how to make a classical margherita. And I'm not talking about just popping a frozen pizza into the oven. We want her to do it right, the traditional way with all the individual processing steps and ingredients involved. Only this way we can get the perfect result. For this purpose, we have set up an Italian kitchen. Here the marble can find all the cooking utensils she needs. A kneading machine with a big bowl and a lid, a worktop, a dough roller and an oven. Besides, she finds all the organic ingredients. A bowl of flour, a piece of fresh yeast, a bottle of water, sea salt, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese and fresh basil. I guess it's already clear to you what the marble is supposed to do with these items. So let's show her. The marble must take the flour, the yeast, the water and the salt in this order to put them into the bowl of the kneading machine. Then she has to turn on the kneading machine and wait for a second until a dough is formed. Now she can take the bowl with the dough and carry it over to the worktop. She must cover the bowl and let the dough rest for a second. After that, she must use the roller to spread the dough on the worktop. Then she has to put tomato sauce, cheese and basil on it in that order. Now she must take the raw pizza and put it into the oven. After a second, the pizza is ready, for which the marble gets a reward. Voila! Since our marble was quite attentive, she now knows what to do from the start to a finished pizza. She became a fully qualified pizza chef. We hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned and follow our social media channels for more content.